Hello, in front of me I've got Lamzu Inca. In this video I'll show you how to create macro. In the beginning, make sure that your mouse is connected with your PC. Go to Lamzu Aurora app and now select Create Macro. Now select the macro, select keylist, delay, and then tab Record. Enter your macro. And now to assign the macro, select button. And select macro. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.